How to fix the issue of 100% CPU uses. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, first you need to open Device Manager. So right click on the Windows icon and go to Device Manager. Once you arrive in this application, at the bottom you see the option of System Devices. Double click on it. After that, you will see a lot of options. Simply choose High Precision Event Timer Properties and disable this drive. Once you have disabled, simply click on OK and now your problem will be fixed. So that's it. Just like that, you will be able to fix the issue of 100% CPU uses. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. It's our tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.